Hey guys, what is going on? Today we're here in Beastorm Simulator. I saw my sister recording a video on this because I kind of interrupted. And it was like, I kind of wanted to do it too. So, and I haven't played this in a long time, but I mean, I'd say I'm decent at the game. I'd say I'm a little bit better than decent. It's gonna be, okay, stupid trash guy, go away! Guys, after this video, they're gonna be starting to be pre-recorded because I'm going on vacation. I got my electronics taken away, that's why I haven't been recording, guys. So, but yeah, so we're gonna try and pre-record as many as we can, like an hour right now.
Joey.
Go to your hive and then do make honey. By the way, guys, right now I'm just fighting the bosses. This is Tunnel Bear, and I did this before my bees even made it here. Damn it. Where are my vicious bee spikes? Okay, I need vicious bee. Buddy, come on, make the spikes. Yay. There we go. Oh yeah, for a second I thought that was the time. I have things. Let me check mine really quick. I have 38. You need to get eggs. But you be 5 royal jellies, 20 moon charms, not right. Ooh, micro converter. That's the only good thing that I got from that. Oh yeah, Andrew.
Basic egg is that?
I get that in about. I get that times 80 in about 1 click.
Joey.
I don't know what I've done with my life at this point.
So much bees.
I literally used to play this game 8 hours a day.
Oh, I just got it.
Alright guys, by the way, I have defeated this snail guy at least once. I've defeated him once. And my next one's only on 28 million still. I've only done 2 million damage. By the way, Andrew, that took about 2 million damage took about 3 hours, Andrew. Yeah, and I've got 38 bees. And guys, I actually bought the cup buddy with, you know. We're not gonna talk about that.
I'm a non-rogue.
No, you're not. You spent more on your character than I have.
Leave me alone.
I spent like none. How many do I have? Wait, what? Since when do I have?
A lot.
Oh, I already have a gold one.
Default.
Andrew, you can find random royal jellies, which changes your bee type, which is really good. Do you want me to take you to some of them?
Sure.
Oh wait.
I'm in the grass.
Right. Hey.
Stop.
You want to put down a couple sprinklers for you to... This will speed up your process a little bit.
Oh.
Now this will grow the grass back quicker. Come here. This is why I need to look at how fast this ground is going.
Oh my.
I guess I grinded for the MVP. Probably tell a little bit.
Where do I go?
Oh yeah, I forgot that I emptied out my bag. I literally just got 72,000.
Why is there so many coins?
That's for me. I got 100,000 for a minute ago. Andrew, come on. Do you want me to show you where some good stuff is?
Yeah.
Come on. We're here in the mushroom field. Jump up here.
You're so far away.
I'll kill your ladybugs for you. And you gotta jump over here. And it's up here. No. Andrew, come over to the blue flower field. After you do that. Or whenever. Quick, come on. I'll be able to get you like 10 of these really quick. I won't pick up any of the loot. There's a sprout over here. This will drop a bunch of loot. I need to collect 50,000 pollen for it to explode, so just give me 2 seconds. I've only done 10,000 so far because my bees aren't here yet. Oh, here we go.
Oh.
There you go, pick everything up. And it'll start disappearing as you go. Try and pick up like the jellies.
Oh my god, how much is it?
Want me to make another sprout? I didn't even make this one. One second, let me just build up a couple of sprinklers so I can actually... Let me see if I actually have any. Oh, I have 28 magic beans, which spawn in sprouts. I'm not doing all $1.28 though. Those are like expensive. I don't even know how I got them. Probably from Sprouts, honestly. And there you go. Seriously, someone else came.
Oh,
Go for the jellies, Andrew.
where are the jellies?
I'll show you one when I see one. Over here, there's one right in front of me.
Oh. Oh, wait.
Go for the jellies. Yeah, those are good.
Oh.
Alright, since this noob is here, we're gonna have to. I'll just leave. He knows I'm the one dropping him, not you. I'm gonna go,
You need to.
Alright, by the way, guys, I can't fight King